witches, monsters, and vampires, oh my. These creatures will be housed by 2 new haunted houses in the valley, Monsterland in Mesa and the 13th floor in Phoenix. Monsterland features over 50 animatronics and hundreds of authentic props from past horror movies, while the 13th floor has 4 different areas of haunted houses, along with Zombieland, an immersive recreation of Phoenix ravaged by zombies. Even in a down economy, the National Retail Federation reports Americans will go out and spend $6.9 billion nationwide this year for Halloween. 13th floor co-owner Chris Stafford explains why.
People want an escape, and so I think they're still willing to spend money on entertainment. Haunted houses only come around once a year, and I think people don't want to miss out on them, and I think they're willing to get out and spend the money because they know they're not going to be able to do it next month.
After Halloween, the 13th floor plans to be back in Phoenix for the following 2 years. And starting in January, Monsterland will be open year-round as a horror movie museum.
You will be able to come back and see how all this stuff is put together and come January.
For the East Valley Tribune, I'm Jordan HAMM.